Hi, it's Mr. Baumgarten with part 4 of Java GUI demo video series, and we are making a contacts application. We've made up our form using the drag and drop wizard in IntelliJ. We have our screen class just with what IntelliJ has put in it when using the drag and drop wizard, and we made our person class. So this is the point that we're at. If you are not at this point, you need to watch one of the earlier videos. Let's get this screen to the point where it can render and appear. So I am going to start by making the constructor. So my screen, and I'm going to... Yeah, let's make this constructor. My screen class, here we go. I knew I was missing something. My screen class, we need to extend JFrame, capital J, capital F. All right, and the JFrame extends plural, there we go. All right, is what Java uses to make all of its screens from. All right, so we need to be inheriting from the JFrame for all of this to work. And then we can run when we run the constructor for the JFrame, we want the title for what we want in our window. So I'm just going to put in here my fancy contacts. Let's keep it like this, contacts project. And this dot set content pane. All right, this dot panel. Now I need to pick the panel that everything is contained in, which up here is called JPanel. So let's give this a name, panel main. Come back to here. All right, so now I should be able to do this dot panel main. This dot set default close option. So this is what we want the program to do when we click on the close window icon. Right, and so we're going to say JFrame dot exit on close. So we want to exit our program when we click on it. We need to use the pack command, which just kind of basically compiles the whole screen stuff together. All right, and then we are pretty well ready to at least see it load. So I'm going to create my public static void main. Now here's a little shortcut for you. Public static void main, so PSVM, and then hit the tab button, and voila, IntelliJ makes this nice and easy for us. So I'm going to create a screen, which I'm going to call screen, new screen. And then on the screen, I'm going to run the set visible function, and I'm going to tell it, set it to true to turn on the visibility. And if I save and run that, all right, so I can hit my little play icon here, or I can right click, run screen.main. I should get my form pop up once it's finished compiling and building everything. Oh, there we go. Here's my screen. And it's gorgeous, isn't it? Well, it's a nice work of art. Nothing does anything yet because we haven't written the program for the buttons or the text or the lists, but it pops up. So if you're not getting it to pop up, you need to go back and see where you have messed up. I might actually make this a good point to pause and let you get that working, and then next video we will code up the individual elements.